How to auto-reframe videos for social media in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added a horizontal video to my timeline and I want to convert it to vertical video. Right-click on your sequence in the project panel and select Auto-Reframe Sequence. Put a name for the new sequence, set target aspect to vertical 9:16, and motion tracking to default, and click Create. Now Premiere Pro created this new vertical sequence for us, and as you can see, the subject always stays in the frame. Now delete this vertical sequence, and let's consider another way. Select your original sequence and duplicate it. Right-click on the duplicated sequence and select Sequence Settings. Swap frame size horizontal and vertical values so we get a 9:16 dimensions and click OK. Now we have this vertical sequence. Delete everything in it. Drag your media into this new sequence and make sure to click on Keep Existing Settings. Now in the Effects panel, search for Reframe and drag the Auto-Reframe effect into your video. Then with your video selected, in the Effect Controls panel, click on Analyze button to analyze and reframe your subject. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.